Good morning. We are on vacation in Aruba at the Tamarijn resort, and I meant to film a room tour on day one, but here we are, day whatever this is at this point. I'm gonna film you guys a room tour. So here is the front door. Nothing exciting, not sealed particularly well. You do hear some noise, and also there's this door between rooms, so you do kind of hear your neighbor, which is, it is what it is. So when you come in the front door, you are immediately greeted by your bathroom. Nice counter space, lots of counter space, love that. Functional drawers that are hard to open if you have nails. Lots of drawer space, just open drawers and cups and stuff. This one has like a hair dryer and stuff in it. Ugh. I don't even know what this is. I didn't open this up. Let's find out. Actually, I'm not even gonna lie, I don't know what this is. Maybe it's a curler, maybe it's a different kind of dryer. I have no idea. The mirror has really good lighting, which I love, and it's huge. A couple of racks for towels. I hate when hotels don't have enough racks to hang things on. And then the shower comes with, you know, all the toiletries, but we brought our own. Decent shelf for that too, as long as you're traveling with travel size stuff. If you got full size, you're probably gonna take up that whole shelf. Pretty good shower. I like the shower. And then we have closet number one. It's like this cutout with some floor space for shoes, and there's like a suitcase holder thingy back there, but we didn't use that. And then over here, closet number two. All kinds of closet space in here. So I've got more dresses hanging in there, and then using these shelves for some other things. I think the fridge is down here and the safe tucked away neatly. Lots of outlets on the side. I've got my swimsuits down in these drawers. Oh, that one done, one closed. Did I put anything in this one? I don't think. Yeah, one swimsuit. And then there's even more drawers. TV, decent selection of channels, but they're all slightly blurry. These are all functional drawers too. They're very thin, so you can't put too much in there, but they all are functional. So that's nice. Nice long mirror. Love that. This is the shirt I slept in. An espresso machine. We've just been going to the cafe on premises, but I guess if you wanted to make some coffee and sit out on the balcony, that'd be cute. Nice comfortable bed. Not all beds come with an Austin. That's just mine. And then up top, there's this really cool feature. You could set like mood lighting. I think that's very fun. It's nice at nighttime when you want to turn the lights off, but you're not ready to settle in. It's just a little extra light. So I'm gonna turn that off so we don't accidentally leave that on. Over here, Austin has taken over the couch. We weren't really planning on using the couch anyway, so that's fine. He's got all his stuff over there. I have been using this little coffee table as my makeup station because the natural light is better. And this is the chair I've been using. You've got two chairs. Obviously, you don't need to be as sloppy and all-encompassing as we are, but that's what I've done. And then you've got your shears, your curtain, nice little alarm that'll go off if you've got it on, and then the balcony. So we've got all our stuff drying out here, but two chairs, a table, and a killer view of the ocean. And then you leave and you're literally right on the beach. It's amazing. So we are in unit 24, or building 24, which is pretty far down the pathway. We timed it at a leisurely stroll. It's like 5 minutes and 20 seconds from the main lobby area. That's a leisurely stroll. So we're pretty far down. If you don't want to be far down, I think you can request a specific building or a specific area. Doesn't mean they'll give it to you, But all the buildings have like little showers for your feet and stuff, and just general showers outside so you can rinse off after being in the ocean. I think all the buildings have ice machines, and was it every building or like every other building that has a water fill-up station outside? Every building has the water bottle fill-up station outside, and they actually gave us free water bottles upon arrival. It's like your little gift. So I've been using that and just refilling, and it's been very handy because I didn't bring a water bottle. So that's the room tour. If you guys have any questions about this particular resort, I'd be happy to answer them. Obviously, an all-inclusive resort doesn't make the most sense for me in Austin. If we were paying for ourselves, this is a family vacation. Since we're vegan, the meals are lacking in interest and protein, but it is a very nice all-inclusive resort if you are interested. I mean, it's not like the height or the pinnacle of luxury, but it's nice for what you pay and what you get. But happy to answer any questions about it, and otherwise I'll talk to you all later. Bye.